dark, dirty road, but a box full of gold. And I've been out here now, all on my own. It's real quiet here, just the way I like it here. There's no one to bother me except 1955, born into a dealer's pride. I laid my head on that Milligan Creek bed. When I was a young man, I helped build this land. Oh, I put down these rails as a sepia man. Thought I'd live forever, with my heart in my pocket, oh my gun by my side, and my feelings in a locket. That was a cold year in '77, but I married my wife. We had 2 kids. I gave her a daughter, she gave me a son. No, we rode those damn horses until we had done. Fists still like flying, doing things for dying. No, I should have put that old gun away, but I am a broken cowboy, and I don't feel right